People like to say the camera doesn't matter. In sports photography, it does.
We set the tone now that this is the sports camera to have.
Why am I using the Sony equipment now it's here? Because it's better. The combination of the A9 and the 400mm is the best I can get. It's the best I can buy.
It was light and well balanced, the two big things. The autofocus has now been tuned to a point where it's exactly like every other G Master lens out there.
This is the best 400-2.8 I've ever used. For me now, I've got my standard lens. So going into a sports event now, I'm confident that I'm going to make some great pictures.
The beauty for me was the ability to carry it around on my shoulder.
I was composing my pictures better because I was able to handhold such a huge telephoto. I mean, look how light this is. You know, I mean, I'll hold that out on one. I couldn't do that with any other 400mm.
It's spectacularly sharp. A picture I took where figure skaters are flying around. The woman is coming right up really close to me, her head flies by, and I just hit the shutter as she goes by, and you can count every eyelash.
The 400mm is as sharp as you would hope, and with the converters, it's great. The optical performance with the 2x converter is just quite phenomenal. It's beautifully balanced, the fall off on it's great, and that's a really important factor for me as a sports photographer. The ability to shoot with an 800 is a real advantage, particularly at massive events like the Olympics or Grand Slam tennis or major golf.
I was looking at it for sharpness, quality, contrast, you know, all the kinds of things that you look for in the lens. But this particular picture, when I opened this up in my browser and I started looking at it, I was blown away. So the autofocus was really, really impressive.
IAF is one of the great functions of the Sony camera. Think about it, a guy's running towards you, he's got his arm out like this and the racket's there. In the IAF situation, you just press the button on the lens and then the focus is locking on the eye. It helps you get pictures which you didn't get before. The new 400mm is the lens all sports photographers have been waiting for from Sony.